Hello everyone, welcome to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Wingstop copycat lemon pepper wings. So let me show you the ingredients I'll be using. Over here I have 2 pounds of chicken wings that I've cleaned very well. I have half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch in here, and then I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper to that. And then I have some butter. I'm going to need about 3/4 of a stick of butter. This is salted butter, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper, and then some canola oil for frying. So first I'm going to go ahead and add my salt and pepper to the flour mixture. And then I'm also going to be adding dried parsley. Now this part is optional, you don't have to, but I like the taste of it in the flour. And then I'll also be adding fresh parsley to the sauce. So go ahead and give that a good mix. And now we're going to go ahead and coat each piece of chicken very well and just kind of shake off the excess. Now my wings are all coated, so we're going to go ahead and start frying. So I have my canola oil preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and start aligning my wings. I'm going to do this in batches so it's not overcrowded. I'm going to be frying these for about 7 to 8 minutes until they turn into a nice golden brown color. My chicken wings are all fried, and now I'm going to get started on the sauce. In a bowl, I melted 3/4 of a stick of salted butter. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper and about 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley. Go ahead and give that a good mix, and then add your wings to the sauce and toss them very well. You want to make sure you toss them until they're completely coated. And once they're completely coated, you can either eat them like this and they're ready, or you can go ahead and bake them in the oven for 5 minutes. So I'm going to be actually baking them once I toss them in the sauce. So you're just going to put it on a pan and bake on 350 for 5 minutes. And this is what they look like when they come out, and they're so good, so easy to make, and taste just like the Wingstop version. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.